Hello friends. Most of the people don't know cutting process more than 12 because of very small difference. Today I am going to show you 19 different cutting operations in stamping. There are more than 19 operation in actual, but there is hairline difference with other operation. In this video I will try to animate the process and will try to explain use of it. So without wasting time, let's get started. Shearing. Shearing is an operation for separating a metal or material by placing it between two shear in close proximity to each other. Then closing the shear to set up shearing stress to cut the material. This process is used to make two separate parts from material. This process is not producing any chips, but separated material can be considered as scrap depending upon use. This process majorly used for making rough blanking sheet. Bevel shearing. Bevel shearing is a shearing operation in which the shear face is not perpendicular to the surface of the sheet. Bevel process is normally used to remove the sharp edges of a piece for safety, wear resistance, aesthetic look, and to mating with another piece. This process produces chips or scrap. A bevel welding joint shape is prepared by this process prior to the welding. Blanking. Blanking is an operation in which a workpiece of a predetermined shape is cut from the sheet. Blanking tool can be of any shape and size. Blanking operation used mostly for 2D shape cutout and can be used for multiple sheets at same time. Blanking operation is used to produce the blanks for gear, jewelries, automotive chassis, etc. Half blanking. Half blanking is a blanking operation in which the punch is stocked just before the completion of blanking to form a shear dislocation in the same shape as the punch. In this process, no chips or scrap are generated. This process is used to make tooth for seat recliner of vehicles. Trimming. Trimming is an operation in which scrap is cut away from a workpiece along a predetermined cutting line to correct all shapes or part of the workpiece. It normally uses to make final outline parameter of the part. Flange trimming of drawn cup is very common example of it. Notching. Notching is an operation in which a die is used to cut out various shapes from the end of edges of a workpiece. In this process, removing a small part of metal sheet of desired shape from edge of metal sheet. This process generates chips or scrap and used to make various 2D shapes. Vehicle chassis, motherboard chassis, pattern block toys are the common example of it. Slitting. Slitting is an shearing operation along a single line. It is used when making a narrow coil from wide coil, when making short strip from a large sheet, or when shearing part of a sheet metal along a predetermined length or outline. This process not producing any chips. Slitting is widely used in metal coil making industries. Parting. Parting is a shearing operation to produce two or more parts from a stamping. The two parts are joined with the same material called as bridge. Normally this process does not produce any chips, but the bridge will considered as scrap. Parting widely used in separating the multiple battery grades of lead. Piercing. Piercing is an operation in which holes are pierced in a workpiece with the die. The main difference between piercing and blanking is in blanking outer part is scrap, while in piercing inner part is considered as scrap. This process produces chips or scrap. This is widely used in all stamping industry to make hole for thread making and mounting positions. Perforating. Perforating is an operation in which a number of holes having the same direction are made successively in workpiece according to a predetermined arrangement. This operation uses single stroke to produce number of holes. This process produces chips and scrap. Perforating is used to make air vents in various machines for exhaust fan. Shaving. Shaving is a light shearing operation to cut off a thin layer from the surface of a workpiece, or to trim uneven edges from stamping, forging, and tubing to attain the correct dimensions. This process used to trim minimum material and to improve finish and accuracy. To make final edges of fine blanking, shaving is widely used. Reciprocating blanking. Reciprocating blanking is a blanking operation in which an additional punch and die are placed under the first punch and above the first die respectively. The first die is used to perform a light half blanking operation. Then the second die blanks the previously half blanked part in the opposite direction. It is a precision blanking method which features complete removal of burr. Finish blanking. Finish blanking is a precision blanking method in which the clearance between the punch and the die is extremely small, and a small radius is machined in the corner part of the die, resulting in smooth, rapture, three-dimensionally accurate shear faces. Fine blanking. Fine blanking is precision blanking method in which a powerful sheet holder having triangular projection bead immediately adjacent to the punch face on the side which passes down on the sheet. It uses to generate a high compressive stress at the shear faces, resulting in clean shear faces. During blanking, a cushion firmly supports the blank from the opposite side to minimize the burring. Chips are produced in this process. Cutting off. Cutting off is a blanking method for thick paper, rubber, leather, metalfoil, etc. The cutting angle of the punch is set to an acute angle not more than 20 degrees. The die does not have the cutting edge and the material to be blanked is placed on a flat stand made of hardwood, fiber or rubber. Cutting off extra paper of notebook to get desired size is the perfect example. Slotting. In slotting operation, rectangular shape hole are made. It is also a type of punching operation, while in punching operation makes round hole. It produces the scrap. Making rectangular duct out in electrical panel is perfect example. Nibbling. Nibbling is punching a series of small overlapping slits, hole or notches along a path. In this, same punch will operate at very high speed. Scrap is less in this process. Nibbling process is used where complex profile are required and machine tonnage is less. Lancing. As name indicates, lance is prick or cut open with a lancet or other sharp instrument, creating a partial cut and then bent by lancet tool. In this process, no chips are produced. Dinking. Dinking process is performed by dinking die or dinking machine. In this process, small holes are cut out on soft and thin material. This process is used to make sleeve, casket, token, etc. on leather, aluminum, wood, etc. materials. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe.